In this video, I will show you how to create free AI videos from Seedance 2.0 and TikTok Shop free of cost. You don't need to pay about anything to Seedance. You know that Seedance is a very expensive tool. I will show you on my laptop. Here you can see that the Seedance pricing, and this is very expensive tool. And I am going to show you the videos that I created Seedance free of cost. And here is a few example of these videos. You can see that.
When training your furry friend, consistency is key. Click the link below to grab yours today.
So this is free of cost, and I only give it my images, and it automatically creates script of the video. It also makes voiceover as well. So let's get started how to make these. And from these videos I also got one order. I post these videos, and from this video only 300 views I got one order, and that is worth of $150. So I have only 3 followers yet, but it will be grow soon. So for that you need to have an active TikTok shop, and you also need to have live products on TikTok, what you videos you want to make. Right now I am on my home page, and then I will move to live and videos, and there is a shoppable video section. Shoppable videos are the videos where we customer can purchase your products without clicking on any link, and people can purchase directly from your TikTok, and you will get sale from that. These are called shoppable videos. And here you can see that I have already created one video and create content, and this is the tool I am going to use, that Seedance 2.0. I will click on that, and here I will select my product. It is asking me to select product, and here are other stuff. I will click on select product, and then after that I will choose one of my product from here. So I'm going to next page, and I will make a videos of this product, and here I can describe my video requirements, and I will click on selling points, glass bottle, and target audience, young people, and video style. This video type, I want to create a function demonstration which showcase product feature and details. So yeah, this I want to, and we also can give any custom, and the video should be custom prompts as well. Video should be high quality, and here we can choose our 50-second or a 30-second. In 50 seconds we can make a 3 videos, and in 30 seconds we can make 2 videos in a day. So I will keep it 50 seconds, so we can make a video as fast as possible. And I will click on generate video. Here is 5 or 5 credits remaining for today. So now it is creating our video, and it is showing that it will create in 30 minutes. So it will not take 30 minutes, it will create within 3 to 4 minutes as well. So we can wait that, and I will let you know when it complete. And I also will tell you that how much time it takes to make a video. So it takes 10 minutes to make ready this video, and let's see this video result. Yesterday my video was stuck while recording, so now here is the video that I created.
Upgrade your kitchen sink with this premium
Here is
Upgrade
the
your
result.
kitchen sink with this premium glass soap dispenser. Ditch the ugly plastic. These heavy-duty glass bottles and bamboo trays and elevate your space. Keep your home organized and aesthetic. Get your set today.
This was the first video.
Listen
and
to
this
this
is second
real
video.
glass. Listen to this real glass. These matte black bottles with the batch bamboo pumps keep your sink perfectly organized. Upgrade your home aesthetic today. Get yours now.
So this was the first video, and I really love this first video, and second is good, but I like first one. So I have already posted that yesterday, because I thought that my recording is continue, but it was stuck. So to post the video, you only need to select from here. There will be small button, and you can click on post to TikTok, and after that it will ask you to select the product, and from drop down you need to select what product video I make, and then you can hit post and the video will be live. And yesterday I post the video, and here you can see the result of these both videos. And first video got 156 video views, and second got 48 views. So there was a result, and all these videos are created with the same thing. And this video got like one sale as well. So if you need any kind of help, then you can let me know that by using my email. And if you like the video, then kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.